How to prune sea grapes. Sea grapes are found in the Caribbean and South Florida. They thrive in these salty and humid climates. Sea grapes are very disease-resistant and grow quickly, which means frequent pruning may be needed. Many sea grape plants are used on the shorelines to prevent ocean erosion of beaches. Since sea grapes can grow up to 30 feet, many people feel the need to prune these fast growers before each growing season. Things you will need: pruning shears. Wait to prune your sea grapes until right before the growing season. In Florida and in the Caribbean, this growing season happens during the rainy period. Most often the rainy season is from April to September. Determine how much you want to prune. Sea grapes can be pruned back to about a foot off the ground. Grab the sea grape branch and make a cut right above a leaf. Cut on a 45-degree angle. Right above this cut, you should see regrowth in the next growing season. Continue to prune the branches to the desired height. The more you prune, the thicker the sea grapes will grow. Sea grapes are very tolerant of heavy pruning. Tips: warnings. If your sea grapes are becoming leggy, pruning will help make the plant look thick and full in appearance. Estimate that a sea grape plant, with average zone 10 and higher rainfall, will experience a growth of a few feet each season if left alone. Make sure your pruning shears are sharpened. Do not prune in hot and dry weather. The branches will not regenerate.